Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulamudin Bhatti Chemistry channel. The topic of today's discussion is isotopes and relative abundance of isotopes. First year chemistry chapter number 1. Now, first of all, what is called isotope? Iso means same, top means place. Isotope, what is its definition? Atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different atomic masses are called isotopes. Those elements which have same atomic number but different atomic masses or mass number is called isotope. Now, isotopes was first of all discovered in 1913 by Frederick Soddy, who was an English chemist. Frederick Soddy was an English chemist. He discovered isotopes in the year 1913. Now there are two different terminologies. What is called isotopy? Dear students, isotopes of an element which have same chemical properties and same position in the periodic table is called isotopy. Which those elements which have same properties and same position in the periodic table is called isotopy. For example, hydrogen and oxygen have 3 isotopes, nickel have 5 isotopes, calcium has 6 isotopes, palladium has 6 isotopes, cadmium 9 isotopes, and tin has 11 isotopes. Now, my dear students, what is called monoisotopic elements or it is also called monoisotopy. It is also called monoisotopy. Dear students, the element which have only one isotope is called monoisotopic elements and the property is called monoisotopy. Those elements who have only one isotope is called monoisotopic elements and the property is called monoisotopy. For example, arsenic, fluorine, iodine and gold, they have only one isotope. Similarities in isotopes of an element. What are the similarities in isotopes of an element? Isotopes of an element have same, number 1, atomic number of proton or electron, chemical properties which are due to same electronic configuration and position in the modern periodic table. These are the similarities which we discuss in the isotopes of an element. And number 2, dissimilarities in the isotopes of an element. Dear students, isotopes of an element have different, number 1, atomic mass, number 2, number of neutrons, number 3, radioactive properties due to different composition of nuclei, and number 4, physical properties, and number 5, half-life due to different stabilities. These are the dissimilarities in isotopes of an element. Students, now I will discuss the relative abundance of isotopes. Let us take the example of neon. We take a sample of neon. Dear students, the sample of neon is basically a mixture of 3 isotopes, neon 20, neon 21 and neon 22. Neon 20 has relative abundance सबसे ज़्यादा होती है 90.48%, while neon 21 has relative abundance 0.27%, while neon 22 isotope neon 22 have abundance 9.25%. Now, all the 3 isotopes of neon are stable. अब हर ये बात याद रखें कि नियॉन के 3 आइसोटोप्स में से हर एक आइसोटोप की परसेंटेज अबंडेंस डिफरेंट होती है. ईच एंड एवरी आइसोटोप हैव डिफरेंट अबंडेंस इन द केस ऑफ नियॉन. Now, dear students, what is called relative abundance? Dear students, what is the definition of relative abundance? Dear students, the percentage of each isotope in an element is called relative abundance of isotope. जितनी किसी आइसोटोप की परसेंटेज अबंडेंस होती है, इसको हम आइसोटोप की relative abundance कहते हैं. For example, neon has 5 isotopes. And neon 58 has highest peak. नियॉन 58 आइसोटोप की परसेंटेज अबंडेंस जो है वो कितनी होती है? 68.1%. एंड नियॉन 58 हैज हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज अबंडेंस, और इसकी परसेंटेज अबंडेंस कितनी होती है? 68.1%. सिमिलरली कैडमियम हैज 9 isotopes. Cadmium has 9 isotopes. Cadmium 114 has highest percentage abundance. Cadmium 114 and its percentage abundance is 28.7%. In the case of hydrogen, you know that very simple case, hydrogen has 3 isotopes, protium, deuterium and tritium. प्रोटियम जो है इसकी रिलेटिव अबंडेंस सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. प्रोटियम हैज़ हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज अबंडेंस. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक दो चीज़ें लाजमी याद रखें. जिस आइसोटोप की रिलेटिव अबंडेंस ज़्यादा होगी, उस एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज़ उस आइसोटोप के साथ रिजेंबल करती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाइड्रोजन के केस में प्रोटियम की अबंडेंस सबसे ज़्यादा है, तो प्रोटियम की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिजेंबल करेंगी. सिमिलरली कैडमियम 114 की रिलेटिव अबंडेंस सबसे ज़्यादा है, तो कैडमियम 114 की जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो किसके साथ रिजेंबल करेंगी? कैडमियम के साथ. सिमिलरली नियॉन 58 की रिलेटिव अबंडेंस सबसे ज़्यादा है और इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज नियॉन के साथ रिजेंबल करती हैं. ईच आइसोटोप हैज इट्स ओन रिलेटिव अबंडेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ it is important to note that relative abundance of isotopes is determined with the help of mass spectrometer. It is determined with the help of mass spectrometer. We will discuss here this mass spectrometer function in a different topic. Now, dear students, the element of odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc., don't have more than 2 stable isotopes. They don't have more than 2 stable isotopes. For example, lithium 3 has odd number of electrons and its atomic number is odd, and it has 2 stable isotopes. Chlorine has also 2 isotopes whose atomic number is odd, that is 17. Now, my dear students, the element with even atomic number usually contain large number of isotopes. Even number of isotope 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. For example, neon has 3 isotopes. Neon atomic number is even, and similarly argon atomic number is also even, and it also have 3 isotopes. Now, another point about the relative abundance of the isotope is that those elements whose mass number is multiple of 4, those isotopes whose mass number is multiple of 4 are particularly quite abundant. For example, oxygen 816, magnesium 1224, silicon 1428, calcium 2040 and iron 2656. Now, my dear students, these all are ये तमाम 4 पर डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, and they form 50% of the earth crust. They are particularly abundant elements. Now, my dear students, there are another important to note that there are 280 different isotopes which occur in nature. There are 280 different isotopes which occur in nature. Out of 280 isotopes, 154 isotopes have even mass number and even atomic number. Out of 280 isotopes, 154 isotopes have even mass number and even atomic number. For example, let us take the example magnesium 1224, whose atomic number is 12, mass number is 24, have both mass number and atomic number, both are in even. mass number भी even में है 24, atomic number भी even में है. Dear students, there are about 300 unstable radioactive isotopes have been produced, which have been produced. There are about 300 unstable radioactive isotopes. These are radioactive isotopes which have been produced during artificial disintegration. These have been produced by artificial disintegration. Dear students, I have explained the today's topic, that is isotopes, isotopy, monoisotopic elements and relative abundance of isotope in detail with the help of examples and concepts. Thank you very much, my dear students and viewers, for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video for more, my channel for more videos.